Welcome back to the video. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our phone settings. So I'm going to scroll down right here. I'll click on settings. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and scroll down and make sure you look for Google right here. Click on Google. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on all services. Then scroll down right here. Scroll down until you get to search assistant and voice. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on Google Assistant. So click on Google Assistant right here. It's going to load up right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on voice match. It's going to take you right here. So turn this particular button on. You can still use Google in some driving apps like Google Maps and Android Auto. Hit on OK. The next thing you want to do here is to click on delete voice match mode. Remove voice match mode from this phone. If you remove voice match from your phone, Google Assistant from your phone, Assistant from Google will no longer be able to recognize your voice on this device. This will also turn off Google, and some peer accessory may stop responding to Google. So what you need to do here is to click on remove right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply go back right here. Click on languages. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Make sure you click on lock screen. Click on lock screen right here. So you have this turn on or so. What you want to do is to turn off this, and then you can simply go back.